Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On your request today, I want to show you how I make my Roti Manchant. It's street style roti. Let me take you to the ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need some all-purpose flour, salt, granulated sugar, sunflower oil, and boiling hot water. I'm using boiling water from the kettle. It's not like a warm temperature, it's really a boiled, like really boiled water. So for that, I'm using a wooden spoon. Obviously, you're not gonna do this by hand because you are going to burn your hand. So if you're doing this in a stand mixer, then you're good. But if you're gonna mix this by hand, then I will suggest to use a wooden spoon from the beginning. And then after a while, when the water cool down together with the flour, then you can move by hand. So to my flour, first I'm gonna add my salt, sugar, give this a mix. Just create a well in the middle, add the oil, and then water little by little. We need water as needed, and then I'm gonna start mixing. It's very hot, so just be careful. Okay, so now we are good. Now I can use my hand and I'm gonna clean up this wooden spoon. And then I'm gonna continue mixing by hand now until everything create into a dough. Okay, so my dough is ready. Now I'm gonna use a plastic wrap, or you can use a kitchen towel and cover it nicely. Make sure there is air doesn't go inside, and then we're just gonna let it sit as is for 10 minutes. And then we're gonna start making the roti. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes and I started already to make the balls, and you can make like few. So get half of the dough and make the balls like that size. And then because once your your pan started to like get really hot, then you're gonna start making the roti. Roll the roti one after the other. So let's do this. I have some flour as well on my kitchen counter, and the rest that you're not using, you just have to cover it. Keep it covered all the time. And then I'm just gonna put this on a side for now, and we're gonna start rolling. Dip in the flour. You don't need too much to put like crazy flour. And then flat the dough with your palm. And then we're gonna start rolling it. Okay. Now you have to roll the dough like very thin, not like the regular rotis that we make, like paratha. This one will be like really thin. Now on the side of my counter, I'm gonna put some flour, and then I'm gonna just leave this one side, and I'm gonna roll like one more. And in the meantime, my pan is heating right now over between medium and high heat. So let's roll this one as well. Okay, my tawa or my pan is very hot right now. I'm gonna brush it with some sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil. And then I'm gonna add my first roti, and then let this cook. Okay, now you can see the bubble is started already, and this is the time that you have to brush the top with oil. And make sure you brush it everywhere, don't leave any spot. This is what will keep the roti soft. Okay, now we're gonna flip this. You can see how beautifully this has been cooked. This is what for street style roti we need hot tawa, hot pan for the roti manchant. And then you're gonna brush the other side as well. And then this side is not going to take too long to cook. You can see it's already getting brown. And then you're gonna remove this onto a bowl, and then you make sure you cover the bowl, and then don't let air goes inside because the roti gonna get hot. So now my tawa is still hot, and I'm gonna keep making my roti. Okay guys, all my roti manchant, my street style roti is ready. You can see. So what you have to do is leave it in a box, in a Tupperware, in anything that has a lid and will keep tight, like airtight container for your roti, so everything will stays like really soft. I also have my curry that is ready, same like the manchant style, my chili pickle, my rogai sauce, my tomato sauce or rogai, and then my lima beans. This is baby lima beans, curry gros pois masala et rogai plain. This is how we like to eat, guys. Little bit of the lima bean, little bit of the plain rogai, and then the chili pickle as much as you want. I like spicy, and this is very spicy. Now let's give this a mix. I'm so hungry. And this is how we eat it. I have my roti manchant here in Canada in my kitchen. You can do this on your own in your own kitchen as well. Guys, get the full written recipe down below. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.